Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to talk about a new type of a campaign, which is going to be Performance Max campaigns. Performance Max campaigns is a new campaign type which Google launched early this year, which basically helps you to run ads across the Google Ads inventory. With the help of automation and also by running different types of ads, you will be able to target your ads across various channels on the Google network. So with the help of this Performance Max, there are multiple benefits of it, guys. The first is this campaign is going to help you find more converting customers, and they're going to target new customers similar to your audience, and this will help to increase your user base. The other is they're going to also try to bring in more conversion value within the same budget which you're setting for the campaign. This campaign is going to also provide a lot of insights about the kind of consumers which you are targeting over here. Also, with the help of automation, you will see that you are able to do audience targetings, audience signals are provided, and with the help of which we are able to do much more accurate targetings. So first look at the first piece, which is going to be around finding new customers over here. So with the help of Performance Max campaigns, we are able to target businesses which can be online sales, lead generation, offline sales as well. So this campaign type can be customized for any type of business which you're running online and can be used for those scenarios. In this campaign, you will see a new customer acquisition bidding which is happening, which will help to get more customers, and it will try to expand beyond your current customers framework and try to bring in more sales for you. What we have seen is also this will help you to drive more value. So what we have seen is this kind of a campaign will use data-driven attribution, and with the help of which it is going to target much more relevant customers in the Google network to bring you more sales. So what we have seen is with the help of Performance Max campaigns, you're able to drive more conversions, additional plus 13% conversions, which we have seen so far at a lower CPA, and this will help you to be more profitable in the business. The other aspect of the campaign is the insights which it provides. So wherein it's going to give you insights about what kind of customers or identifying the drivers for the campaign. You will find it over here on a week-on-week basis and on a month-on-month performance as well. This is going to also give you some performance related information which will help you to proactively resolve any issues which you're facing in the campaign. Also, in this specific campaign type, you are able to use automation a lot, wherein it will use the algorithm to find out which are the best option where your ads to run so that you get more sales out of it. It's going to use automated bidding, which is going to be maximize conversion value with target ROS, which will be used over here to run these ads. Also, the ads which we can create over here, you can customize them, you can create responsive search ads much more faster, and this whole thing is driven by data-driven attribution, wherein the system will find out the most appropriate scenarios to target your ads to get high conversions and conversion value. Also, this campaign is going to provide you with the option to do audience targeting. So you will be able to set some audience signals wherein you can do affinity, in-market, life events, detailed demographics, all the audience targetings you can do. You can also plug in your remarketing list to this campaign in order to run your ads. So let's have a look at how this is going to work specifically. So this will be one type of a campaign which is going to run across different channels, okay, which is primarily focused on getting you the best experience with the help of in terms of sales and conversions and conversion value. Okay, what is different about Performance Max is it's a single goal based campaign. Okay, the main purpose of this campaign is to drive sales. Okay, and this is going to be only one type which Google has launched, which will run across all Google channels. Also, in this campaign, you will be able to integrate this campaign with different sectors, like you can integrate it with Google My Business, also your Google Merchant Center, dynamic ad feeds, business data. Okay, you will be able to create assets of various types, which will be possible. We can plug in the audience signals over here as well, and geo targeting, also you can set and give a budget for the campaign. These are the 6 channels, guys, where the ads are going to appear, which will be YouTube, Google Display, Search, Google Discover, Gmail, and Google Maps. How to start using Performance Max campaigns? So ideally what we suggest, as Google has been suggesting, is that you should start testing Performance Max alongside your existing campaigns and see the performance. Okay, you can set the right targets ROAS, okay, for these kind of campaigns, and then evaluate its performance after 4 weeks. So now you can do a comparison with your original campaigns and this campaign, and you will understand which campaign is doing better for you. This Performance Max is also compatible with other Google Ads tools like Performance Planner. So you can use the Performance Planner to predict what kind of budget will be required to achieve certain conversion value targets or conversions targets you may have. You can also do account level brand safety, and this can also be connected to Google API. So if you want to use any kind of automation tools, you can use that also to build Performance Max campaigns. Experiments as well will be possible here. You can create an experiment campaign on Performance Max and then you can run those as well. The whole idea of running a Performance Max campaign is to drive higher quality leads or sales, okay, with offline conversion import as well, so which can also be possible out here. The main benefits which you will get out of Performance Max is ideally driving more conversions and through full automation. Okay, so this is going to also help you to get conversions at a better CPA. Okay, and also the efficiency is much more better in terms of you're trying to run the ads. It is going to show up across all the Google channels and it will try to utilize the budget also in a much more effective manner. Some of the success stories which we have seen with Performance Max so far is, for example, Domino's, wherein they went ahead and ran Performance Max campaigns on their product, which led to increase of our ROAS or by 173%. What they saw was that it gave an increase in their conversion rate by 11%. Also, the revenue increased by 5% and the CTR also became better by 18%. Apart from this, SumUp, a financial payments technology company, also went ahead and used the Performance Max campaigns, which led to an uplift on their sales by 12%. They saw that their CPA went down by 83% and the conversion rate versus the account average was better by twice the amount. So these are all the success stories around Performance Max as well. Now that we understand how the Performance Max campaign is going to be, let's go inside the account and see how we can build this out. So once we are inside the Google Ads account, guys, we can start creating this campaign. So we can choose the goal for the campaign first. Let's say we are doing sales. And then you can select the campaign type. Let's say we are doing a Performance Max campaign. So now, as you know, Performance Max campaign is an upgrade for Smart Shopping and Local campaign. So going forward from October 2022, all the Smart Shopping campaigns and Local campaigns will get upgraded to a Performance Max campaign. So you can build a Performance Max on a Smart Shopping wherein Merchant Center is linked, or you can do a local campaign as well, which wherein a Google My Business will be linked to the account. So let's say I'm going to create this campaign right now, which is primarily on a Smart Shopping wherein my Merchant Center is linked to my Google Ads, and I want to build a Performance Max campaign with it. So we make sure that our Merchant Center is linked here. We can also give a name to this campaign at the end, and we start creating this campaign by providing all the details. So the first thing which we will have to provide over here is details regarding the campaign, which is the budget for the campaign, which you can give. You can also set the bidding strategy. So the bidding strategy can be conversion value with target ROAS or conversions with target CPA. As per your requirement, you can set it up. Let's say we are doing a target ROAS of 200%. Then we have to give the campaign settings location targeting. So you can choose your location. You can choose your language targeting as well. In this Performance Max campaign, Google also launched a new feature called final URL expansion. Final URL expansion is a case wherein Google gives you two options. Either you can allow Google to figure out which are the most relevant URLs to drive traffic to. So we can choose from here, which is automated. The second option is manual, wherein Google will ask you to provide your specific landing pages where they would be going ahead and driving traffic. So you can choose any of these options and you can build out the campaign. Then we will have to provide the asset name, give a name to the asset group. Asset group is basically the other name which they have given to this campaign to ad groups. So they call it asset group now. So you can name it in this manner. And then you will have to define your listing groups. Listing groups basically means the product group which we have in shopping campaigns. So only the terminology has changed over here, wherein they call it a listing group now, wherein all you need to do is you have to attach all your products which you have in your merchant center feed. So in this manner you can select your products and you can attach it to the feed over here in the listing groups, and now you will be able to build out your ad, okay, which is called assets. So here you start with providing the final URL, the landing page of the ad, and then you can attach some images as well one by one. Apart from that, you can also provide a logo for the product. And then if you have any videos, you can attach a video of the product as well. And finally, we can provide some headlines for the ad as well over here. So provide as much information you can, because this will help to increase the probability of people clicking on your ads. You can provide a long headline as well. And then you can give descriptions. In this manner, we can provide all the information here. Once you provide the description, you can give a call to action as well based on what you want your customers to do on the website. So you can put that out here as well. And finally, you can give the name of your business. This is how the ad is going to get created. This is on the mobile device. You can see on different platforms the ad is going to appear. So it can be on YouTube, Gmail, search, display, and discovery. Once you create your ad, then the last option is wherein you give your audience targeting. So here you can add your audience signals. So as we spoke earlier, you will be able to do different types of audience targeting. You can do custom segments wherein you can create your own new custom segment based on interest and searches which people are doing. The other is remarketing. So if you have any remarketing list already in the Google Ads account, you can select from here and you can connect in this manner. The other option is the other audience targeting categories which we have got out here, wherein you can do in-market audiences, life events, detailed demographics, and affinity. So let's say in this manner, you can select your categories. You also get to have the demographic targeting. So if you want to choose specific demographics relevant to your business, in this manner, you can define the demographic targeting also. So now that we have done the audience targeting, we can move forward, and the next will be extensions. So here you can add some extensions also in this campaign. These are all the options which you will get. So you can do lead form, site links, structure snippet, price, promo, and call out. Once you provide your extensions details, then we're coming to the end of the campaign, where you can just review the campaign, check everything is correct or not, and if everything looks fine, you can publish this campaign. Once the campaign gets published, it will automatically go for a checking, and now Google is going to check everything looks fine. If the ads are approved by Google, then the campaign can go live. So in this manner, okay, so here you can see we can now publish this whole campaign and it will go for a checking automatically. So this is the campaign which we have created now, sales performance max 47 August 17th. Here, if you come to asset groups, you will be able to see the asset group, the product group which we have created. The ads are over here. The audience signals are provided on the right hand side. Okay, so the product group, the listing group is also defined out here, since this is one wherein we have attached our merchant center feed, so which will be showing up out here. So in this manner, we can build a performance max campaign, guys, inside our Google Ads account. I hope this makes sense, and now you understand this new campaign type. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.